In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Glaze Glaziplex. This is a super bond repair treatment. I've been using the kind of trial size or the travel size, but I've had quite a few uses out of it, so I feel like I'm ready to give you my honest review. Welcome back to Selfcare Karen. Selfcare Karen is all about empowering busy women to feel their best and to give their best. And here on YouTube, I upload beauty product review videos and kind of how-to videos to do with beauty every week, every Friday. That's my normal upload day. And then every once in a while, I also look at kind of broader self-care techniques for women. And I have hundreds of guided meditation videos, and I'll link the playlist here to some of those guided meditations. And I also do videos on a talking therapy called EFT, that's emotional freedom techniques. It can be known as tapping. It's kind of a mix of acupressure and positive affirmations. It's a fantastic therapy, and if you'd like to know more about that therapy, then please just take a look at my playlist here. And I also sell products online. I have a website, and you can find more details about me and my brand and where you can find my products down in the video description. Today's video is going to be about a bond repair treatment. It's called the Super Bond Repair Treatment from Glaze. It's the Glaziplex, and I got this in the goodie bag when I went to see the Superdrug Presents show back in May, and I'm filming this now in August. And it's empty now, so I've finished it. I feel like I have enough information to share my opinion about this product. And before I do and get into it, I just want to explain to you a little bit about my hair, so maybe you can relate or not to my hair situation. So just to let you know, I'm 50 years old. I am perimenopausal. I feel like I've been saying I'm perimenopausal for an awfully long time, but apparently it can last for like 10 years. Oh my God, please, no. But anyway, I'm perimenopausal. I've always had oily roots. And then over the years, because I started dyeing my hair when I was around 30 years old, so 20 years of dyeing my hair is really damaged because it is over processed. So whilst I do have a lot of oil up the top, I also get very kind of dry and ends, and the hair breaks a lot. And over the last 12 months or so, I've really focused on my hair care. And I actually have to say a massive thanks to all of you, to the people that have subscribed to my channel, to the people that have viewed my videos, because when I first started doing the beauty product reviews, I was really focusing in on skincare. That's something that I know about. I'm qualified, I'm a skincare coach, you know, I know more about skincare, and also one of the products that I sell are kind of recommending skincare routines, sort of taking the best of what I've used sort of as a magpie would, and creating a routine that would work for someone else, you know, for their skin type, for their skin concerns. But hair care is not something that I've really, in fact, I've always been, not always, but for the last 15-20 years, I've just not been that happy with my hair. There have been moments where I felt, yes, I'm more happy than others, like if I've had a haircut that I think really suited me, or I've, you know, found a product that is working, or I don't know, you know, a new style. Although, to be honest with you, the parting here down like this, years. I'm obviously, you know, Gen Xer all the way, side parting, and can't do the middle parting, just doesn't look good on me. Anyway,
1 hour later.
I digress, but you know, hair care really, you know, has not been something that I feel an expert in. But I started doing videos of me trying out different hair dyes, because I dye my hair at home, and they just started getting a lot of traction on YouTube. So it was clearly something that, you know, there was a space for here on this overcrowded platform of videos, and people just started, you know, engaging with those ones. So I sort of thought, well, maybe I should explore hair care a little bit more, and that is exactly what I've done. And actually amazing, because not only has my YouTube channel benefited from it, which is fantastic, but I have too, because I've been able to really kind of learn a lot about my hair and what my hair needs right now, and you know, and I'm still searching for the kind of perfect formula, if you like, or routine for my hair, but I feel like I'm a lot closer than I was, you know, over a year ago, or maybe even longer than that. Anyway, so I really look at kind of two YouTubers for hair care advice. So the Blowout Professor and Abby Young. And in fact, I did a video specifically on the advice that they have given, and I'll link that video up here. But I also follow the advice of a YouTuber, sorry, not a YouTuber, a TikToker, Mary, I think it's like All About Hair or something like that, and I'll display her handle here. But so I've been sort of cherry picking the advice that people have been giving, and I have these influencers have been giving. And one of the things that really has made a difference in my hair care is the fact that I have started using bond repair treatments. The first one that I used was the Redken acidic bonding, I don't know if it's concentrate or treatment, but anyway, I'll get an image up. My lovely video editor will put an image up on the screen of that product, and I will have links below where I've got an affiliate link. I'll put it, but just be clear, this isn't sponsored. This is not an advertisement. I just, you know, if you're then interested in looking at them and you buy off Amazon, you'll find some links below. I may qualify I may earn from qualifying purchases, but anyway, it's just so that you can easily take a look at the products that I'm mentioning. So Redken acidic bonding was the first kind of treatment that I used, and it really did make a difference. Not the first week, not the second, but I used it every week or every 2 weeks, every 10 days, and I definitely began to see a difference in my hair. Not the oily roots, really didn't do anything for the oily roots, but in terms of the quality of the length of my hair, I found that my hair was not breaking as much. I found that it was less frizzy. I found it wasn't as dry. And so this really, you know, has been, you know, a big learning. So I've carried on, because even though when I find like a miracle product, I want to find out, can I get it cheaper? Does another brand do it? What are the alternatives? You know, I'm always kind of, I'm kind of like a process improvement kind of a gal. So I'm looking for alternatives. And so the next one that I kind of use down that vein, and I've still got some left of it, is the L'Oreal Elvive Bond Repair Rescue Pre-Shampoo. And I've done a video on this range, so I'll link that up here. I've still got some left, but just so you know, L'Oreal owns, obviously, L'Oreal Elvive, but Redken too, and I'm pretty certain that the formula of the acidic bonding and the bond repair from Elvive are pretty similar. I haven't done a scientific study, but what the big difference is in the price, okay? So the Redken one is the more expensive one, and the L'Oreal Elvive it's still not, I wouldn't say it's like budget beauty, but it's a lot more accessible. Okay, and I've gone on and I've tried Pantene Bond Repair, which I will, I've just done the review video for that, and I'll link that up here. And I will carry on looking for this kind of bond repair thing. I also want to try protein-based products for your hair, because that might also, I think maybe a combination of the protein and the bond repair, that might actually really help. So keep, you know, if you want to see my future videos, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, hit the notifications bell, and then you'll get advised every time I upload a new video. Anyway, back to this Glaze Glaziplex. Now Glaze, I know it because they sell kind of hair dyes, but they're not really, I'm not quite sure. It's kind of a bit different from a normal permanent hair dye. And I was going to try it out because I thought, oh, you know, I'll do this for another video. And I dye my hair really frequently because the regrowth happens quite often. But Then I saw the reviews and loads of people say it makes their hair turn blue. I just don't want to deal with that right now. Maybe in the future I'll have a go, but I'm not going to do that right now. By the way, all these videos, I mean, I'm obviously referencing and putting up thumbnails and what have you and links, but I do have a hair care playlist. So if you want to binge, just click on the link up here and you can access all the, I think I've got over 80 videos now on hair related videos. Anyway, so I was really excited to find this in the goodie bag from the Superdrug Presents show. It was really great to go again this year. I've got free tickets this year, which is even better. And yeah, so I have tried this out. I've used it probably 4 or 5 times. Now, one thing I want to say to you is the first time I used this, I followed the instructions like a good girl. Don't often follow instructions, but here I did. And it says, after shampoo, apply to clean damp hair, leave for 4 minutes, rinse with warm water and style as usual. And I have to say to you, ni fu ni fa. I mean, I really didn't see any kind of difference. But with the other products, particularly with this one from Bond Repair, I really did it with this one. And I did it a bit with the Redken, but more so with the Elvive. I actually found not to, so this is a pre-shampoo and the Redken one is too. Don't use it as a pre-shampoo. Shampoo your hair, towel dry your hair, and then apply the product. This, in this case, this one or the Redken one, or that's what I've been doing with the Glaziplex. Apply it on and then onto your towel dried hair, or it maybe even a bit wetter than that. And then wrap it in one of these kind of turban things. I don't know if you've ever seen this. This is microfiber. Let me see if I can show you how it's a bit difficult with it's not, my hair's not 100% dry, but oh, it's going horribly wrong. But you kind of wrap it around. I don't, you can't see it properly. I need to bend over the bath. But basically it creates a turban. It's got like a loop thing and a button, and you can get these really, really inexpensive off Amazon. In fact, I'll put a link to, I don't know if it will be exactly these ones, but I'll have a look just so you can take a look and see if you want to invest in them. They're really, really good, because really you need to, one of the things I've learned about hair care is you need to be very careful in certain moments with the hair. When it's wet, it's at its weakest. And so microfiber is much better than using like a regular towel. And you need to pat it dry, not rub it or shake it or be at all violent with it.
2,000 years later.
I digress once again. My God, I keep on going off on a tangent. My apologies. But basically, I left this on today. And normally I've been leaving it on for like 20, 30 minutes, as long as I have, you know, I only use it like once every week or 10 days. Actually, it's been a long time since I've used this. There's probably been about a 6-week break. But that was the last use. Now, I have to say, it does leave my hair feeling soft. It has left it feeling soft, but I would say that the results are not as good as the results I get with this product, okay, with the L'Oreal Elvive. So for now, this still remains my kind of favorite one of these kind of Bond Repair treatments. Also, I want to say to you that this was the travel size. The full, this is 50 millilitres. The full size is 150, and it normally retails in the UK for around £19.99, which I think is absolutely really, really, really expensive. This one is 200 millilitres, and I got it on offer, and it was way cheaper than that. I did just look today though, in Superdrug, I mean, it probably won't be reduced by the time this video goes out, but Superdrug have got it on for £14 at the moment. But even so, I still prefer the L'Oreal Elvive Bond Repair. It just doesn't feel like it's done as much for the really dry ends that I have right now. And I'm really surprised that I've got dry ends at the moment, because I did cut my hair. And yes, I do cut my own hair. And yes, I have done a video about how I cut my hair. I cut my hair a little while ago, and that normally sorts out the dry ends for a while. But I'm feeling that maybe I missed them, or I don't know. There's just something going on. When I dye my hair, I try really hard not to dye the whole head every time. I just try and do the roots, just to try and minimize the damage on the ends here. But anyway, yeah, it's very over processed, so it's going to be a long old journey. But I do feel it's a nice product, but it's not my favorite. So I would love to hear if you have tried this product out, Glaziplex, and also let me know, have you tried the Glaze, like, you know, dyes, and did your hair turn blue? Maybe if I get some stories saying, no, it's not true, my hair was fine, I might give it a go and do a video. So anyway, but yeah, I'd love to hear, also love to hear if there are any products, hair care, skincare, whatever, that you would like me to try out on this channel and do a video review on. It would be my pleasure. Any topics for meditations, any topics for EFT tapping sequences. I have always got lots of ideas, and I have like a plan for months ahead, and I do generally film quite far in advance, but I love taking on board suggestions. So even if your comment is, please never make another video again. No, I really hope you don't say that. But anyway, all engagement on my channel is helpful. So, you know, the algorithm doesn't really read the comments, I don't think. It just notices that there are comments. Anywho, sorry, I'm a bit obsessed right now about growing my channel, and I really am extremely grateful for where my channel is. But, you know, I think it's just human nature for more. That's what we kind of want. Anyway. Yes, I'm a complete consumerist. So thank you so much for joining me today. I'll be back again next week with another video. And remember, you are in perfect time. See you soon.